welcome guys to my channel. My name is Shaz and today we are making a Google search website. So basically I'm gonna show you that how does it work. So if I go to currently google.com and over here search, for example, my own channel 115 CB, you see it comes like you could search it. So basically we are building kind of the search engine, but not the same, so it will be a problem. But yeah, so let's create an index.html file, and I also will show how to upload it in like a GitHub. So yeah, so if I have to create an index.html, let's do an basic HTML code with our uh, exclamation mark, title, Google only dot Google, get search, and we need an style dot CSS. Also pt script dot js to use the button. So now in style.css we will use a body, and inside that we need is background as black, and also the font style as italic. And let's see how does it work. So I'm starting with live server, and okay, so it did not work. Okay, sorry, I did some background color black. Okay, so now let's run this. This should work. So open with live server, and okay, why it's not work? Yep, says it's having a problem. So okay, so the problem, we did not added the CSS also. So let's just add the link CSS. There we go. And also let's just add script st. So let's do script source. Did this spelling wrong over here? Right click, spelling wrong. CRIPT. Yep. So now it will take. Let's do script.js. Done. So now after adding our script.js, it is like could use everything. So let's do h1, and let's do search. So let's do that, and you see where is our h1. So if you highlight, just Google search. Actually it is in black color, so that's why we will use h1 and do that as font. Okay, sorry, color as I mean like gold. So it says Google search, and I also forgot text align center. So yeah, now the next thing is we have to add a label. So let's do label. We don't need for label. Let's do type to search on Google over here. There should be over here, and let's do this so you could see all that. Now, if we go to style.css, let's make our label color to green. So or like yellow, green, yellow, like that. And next we will do is add our button. So let's add our button. So button will be, okay, I forgot one thing. We have, you could do it div element, like div container or anything else, but I like to use span. So but in span you have to go one by, like one to use span, so that's the problem. Span, and put the label inside span. So after that we will go to the next line, and okay, first we have to add an input box, so like where we will give input. So input text, take the text one, and you don't need name. ID you need, so ID we will give search underscore Google. Google. Now after that we will go next of your Z, and we will add the button. So uh, span, and now we will add the button. So let's give it span, and add the button. So button, and do on click. So on click we're gonna use the function that is Google underscore search underscore button underscore. You could give any command. I use this command for that. And next we have to give a type, let's give it button, and ID of the button we need is search, and search underscore button, because will be the button of the search, and here search. So done. Okay, so now, okay, sorry, I did a wrong thing. Let's yeah, we have a search button that will do nothing currently. As you can see, it says this error that there's nothing actually not defined, because we have not done the search buttons function with JS. So let's now work on CSS. So let's give our button some design. So let's give button, and we're gonna give it some design. First we're gonna do border radius to make it round. Let's try 50 pixels. It's good, like 100 pixels. It's better. No, it's kind of same. And border D medium. Okay, sorry, border width dash width medium. And then we need is border color. Where's border color? Border dash color to white, and then you have to do is you could give anything. I'm just giving like that I like. So let's give the background color to yellow green, and also let's give it like green yellow. Green yellow. And next we will give it color black, BLA. The text will be black, and then give the font size as medium. So where's medium size? Okay, sorry, font size as medium. So we have the button that will currently do nothing, so I will just refresh so that our inspect will be clear. So yeah, so now we have typed to search in Google. Let's change our input. So let's see what ID we have given to our input. So search underscore Google is the ID, so we will do hashtag that hashtag Google. But before that, instead of button, we will do is, because if you have all of like other buttons in your phone, like website, this will like do not work. So I will do is do that and do hashtag and do here. You can also change the background of it. I don't want that to be changed. Let's change border radius like 100 pixels, something like that. Yeah, this is much better to be like. And what like, and also you see the button does not change its constant. So let's see hacksaw search underscore button, and here we will do actually hover dot hover. Where's hover? We will need cursor pointer. So as we hover above our button, this should change to like see what have in cursor. We have like pointer. You could select anything. So currently, I could select like let's do default. No, auto. Like auto is same. Let's do like progress, but it's gonna not working. Let's do crosshair. Okay, so there's some problem. I don't know why the hover is not working, so don't use that. And yeah, so next thing is on our script.js. Let's first call that function that we have given on here. So the function is the function Google search open. So let's do shift and select Google search button underscore open. So let's do function that and inside there we have to use our over here variable. Let's make a variable search underscore Google search underscore Google underscore URL. So for making this you have to actually visit google.com, and after visiting google.com type anything here that you want. So let's just type my channel. And I will show you a trick. So if you know, you could remove from here to be last. So yeah, so let's just remove that, and you could search this, not that. You could also search including like in space, like Srias 0115CB and then channel. So if you know, you could use it, but yeah, you could use like that. So now if we like copy the, not exactly that, but from here to the starting, from where it is searching, and go to our website. So I will just here and put the URL. After putting the URL, we'll do word search. The thing it will search is also hidden word result, the result from our text input. So or we could do word get underscore the result we could do, and this will be document dot get element by ID, and get the ID of this that is currently an input. So that is search underscore Google, and use that ID dot value and do this. It just converts to that. So do value, and after that we need is var search, what to actually search. So we have to search equals to search Google URL plus our get result, and do that. Okay, and then so after that we have to do window dot open and put the URL that is currently our search. So ch search comma on a new tab, so underscore blank. Okay, and then do that, and console dot log and do get a result. So I'll do save all the things so that it will work. and let's try to search hello. Okay, it did not work. So let's do inspect. Unconsidered. Cannot read properties of null. Reading value. Okay, so we have and problem over here that it can't read the properties of null, mean that it can find or search underscore Google. Oh, I guess why? Because we have not given this. Yes. No errors. Let's check searching. Let's first try my 0115 CB and let's see if this works. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It did work. So now as you can see, it does search to another tab. Using that, you could also search like 0115 CB's YouTube channel and click the search button. It search. So now let's add like a image which shows a YouTube image and then Gmail image, so that it could redirect to YouTube and also Gmail. Just clear that. So for doing that, on our over here, we need to obviously first create an YouTube. So first YouTube, um, YouTube, let's do PNG. So click images option over here and select the image you want. In my case, I want this image. So download the image, drag the image into your folder like that. I will also rename the image. So let's do rename. Oob will be its name. Okay, sorry, I have to again rename it YouTube. So now in index.html, let's do break and let's this time try div element. Set div img. Okay, sorry. Z first a www.youtube.com. So let's say I click that. Sorry, we did a mistake. https :/ and click that, and it should open youtube.com. But we also need www dot, then it will be the correct. Yeah, it just does not change and just visit to YouTube. So next of all, we have to create an image for it. So if you see, there's nothing that click, but if you, there should be something to click, right? So you had a or something like a, click it, but we gonna give an image to it. So for that, you need to type img image, clip the source. So first I have to type here YouTube logo. If it can't load the image, so currently it can't load the image also. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, yeah, because we have not given the source. So the source is youtube.png. Like see, and if you zoom out, see, but we don't need zooming out. So for that, we have, wait a sec, yeah, go to style.css, img height equals 30 px and width equals 30 pixels. And we have a little logo, but we need it much bigger. So let's make it like 50 pixels and 50 over here. So 50 again, yeah, 50. So this is good. Let's now do this. Wait, what? Sorry, I by mistake typed that. Yeah. So this has a space. We forgot to do one thing is target. So let's type target. Yes. Target underscore blank, and let's copy this whole thing. The C and do it in a new line. So now we need is Gmail logo. If it can't load up like that, and it's currently can't load up because I have not given any link, go to gmail.com, gmail. So let's see if it takes to gmail.com, and yeah, but the problem is it actually mail.google.com. So instead let's do mail.google.com. So let's paste this mail.google.com and paste in Gmail logo. So Gmail, and you could take any logo. I will take the new Gmail logo, that is this. Oh, yeah, quick right click, save image as, and I will save it and drag it to my over here, right click and rename it as Gmail, and go to index.html and write here gmail.png, and let's see our website is currently loading. Okay, so we have a problem here. So we have to do is write class specifically. Sorry, I actually did. Okay, so we have to do in class. So class Gmail, and let's do class YouTube, and if we if we click close the store, yeah, sort of email YouTube or dot YouTube, and then same for dot Gmail and type over here height and width easy, and then the thing is it comes like that, so let's give it 100. See, it's not good, so let's give it 80. And now this is good, these two buttons are good, so now if I click it just opens Gmail. So yeah, so now let's upload this in GitHub. So make sure that your all files are perfectly saved. Now open up GitHub. So currently it is in my Google Chrome. I have signed in. Let's do GitHub, and after going to GitHub, make a new project. So click new, select a name, Google search by uh, by Shreyas 0115 CB. Okay, so now you have to select all this. So Google search okay, search, and click anything you could do. Let's do add readme file and click create repository. The second thing is you have to add a new branch if you want, because currently you could also use here. I want a new branch that is web site, to like anyone just visit and like see the whole code. So let's hit enter, create branch website from domain. Now click add file option, click upload files option. After that click choose your files, and now select your files. So it is in this PC, local dex E and YT underscore Google search, and select all my files. It's currently uploading. Gmail, child.css, click commit changes, and it will say processing your files. Sometimes it takes a lot of time while publishing a website, or sometimes not. So let's go to settings, scroll down to pages option. Now select your branch. I gonna do with website branch, root folder, click save. And now it says it is hosted, but it will take some time. So it's currently no HTML thing, so keep refreshing. So it takes a time a bit, so that's only one problem if we use GitHub. So saved, create source, so it will take some time, and after 1 minute I will come. So it's been 1 minute, and our website is hosted. So let's open up our website. There we go. You could type anything to search on Google. So Shreyas, for example, it searches, just open search, open YouTube, for example. you could open YouTube, and if you like the video, please like, and also you could open Gmail. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and bye bye. I will meet you on my next video.